Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Passing It On, a culinary legacy for the next generation. I am Reena Govender, your host for today, and today I will be showing you how to make the miracle herb curry, the Moringa. Okay, so now for the ingredients for the Moringa herbs. Okay, as you can see, I've got the Moringa, it's already washed and cleaned, and this is from my garden. So the meal that I'm going to show you today, it's less than 15 rand. Okay, and then another idea of cleaning the Moringa is, if you take the stem, okay, you're going to wrap it in newspaper. I mean, you guys are working and it's difficult to clean this, you know, just the leaf by leaf. So what you do is you take your newspaper, you fold it into the newspaper, you leave it the night before, and when you come the next day from work, when you open it, actually the leaves all come out from the stem. So that's an easy way of cleaning the herbs. Other than that, I got mom to clean for me. And then I have a tomato. The more the tomato, the tastier it is. I've got garlic, all homegrown by me. I've got onion, salt, dry chili, and a bit of oil. So this is a simple Moringa recipe. Okay, so now for the preparation of the Moringa, I'm just going to add oil. You have to add a bit of extra oil because you need the Moringa to just simmer in the oil, okay? So as soon as that's hot, you need to add onion. Okay, this is like one big onion. Some dry chili. Dry chili depends on how hot you want it. I like my herbs quite hot, so I had about 3. Just going to stir this a bit. Okay. Just going to let the onion fry a bit and I'll come back to the pot. So the onion is brown. I'm going to add my tomato. Garlic. The more the garlic, it's better. And then I'm going to add the herb. It's already been washed. Just got some water in here. The thing about this herb, it has a lot of values. It helps with blood pressure. Actually helps with constipation as well. And this is it's a weekly diet in my home as well. Okay. So I'm just going to stir that a bit. I'm just going to add a bit of salt to that. Fine salt, you can use rough salt if you want. So now we're just going to let this cook a bit. Say about 10 minutes and come back to the pot. Okay, so we're back to the pot. As you can see, the herb has cooked. You must check the water when the water drains out, because when you put the herbs into it, it has water. When the water drains out, then you know it's cooked. You can have it however texture you like. I don't like it cooked right to the core. So you can see mine it's simmered down. So that's ready. And you can also press the garlic. The garlic goes in, then it's cooked. So this herb is now cooked. You can have it with rice, dal. I'm just going to plate it with basmati rice. This is ideal for constipation and blood pressure and sugar as well. So this is a simple, economical meal, all greens from the garden and prepared. So this is a day's meal as well. So from us at Passing It On, thank you for watching. Remember, eating is a necessity, but cooking is an art. So make sure you pass it on to the next generation. From our kitchen to your kitchen, we wish you a blessed week, a week of divine favor, divine protection upon you and your family, and stay blessed.